welcome to Sock Mantra and welcome to another video of our Cisco Networking CCNA lab series. In this video, we will do a Inter-VLAN routing lab using the legacy method. So let's just have a brief on what VLAN is and how this Inter-VLAN routing is done on the legacy method. So what is a VLAN? So a VLAN allows you to take one physical switch and break it up into smaller mini switches. VLANs are used to segment networks and break broadcast domains. Each VLAN acts as a different network, and there is no communication between any VLANs unless there is a router placed for communication. And for the legacy method uses different Ethernet ports to connect to different VLANs for routing. What are the disadvantages of legacy method? Poor scalability. As you all know, routers have a very limited number of physical interfaces, making this method unsustainable for large VLANs or large enterprises if you want to grow or if you want to add more VLANs to the network. So without wasting any time, let's go to the lab objectives and try to do the tasks. In this lab, I have taken one router and three PCs which are connected to three different VLANs. So what are the tasks? The first task is connect the router to switch with three fast Ethernet interfaces. So here are the interface connections that we need to do on the router. The first one says router fast Ethernet 0/0 should be connected to the fast Ethernet 0/22 of the switch 1. Fast Ethernet 0/0, fast Ethernet 0/22. Similar way, fast Ethernet 0/1, fast Ethernet 0/23, and fast Ethernet 1/0 to fast Ethernet 0/24. And the second task is enter into global configuration mode of the router. Go into no, enable, configure terminal, and in configure terminal, assign hostname router R1, hostname R1, hostname of the router is changed, and we have to assign SW1 to the switch as well. So let me go into the switch, enable, configure terminal, hostname SW1. The hostname of the switch is also changed now. Create VLANs 10, 20, 30 on the switch. So let me go to the switch, VLAN 10. Let me name it as IT. Exit VLAN 20. Let me name it as HR VLAN. Exit VLAN 30. Name it as sales VLAN. Exit. Okay. Now assign interface fast Ethernet 0/123 and fast Ethernet 0/22 to VLAN 10. So let me, as this is a range of Ethernet interfaces, the command is interface range fast Ethernet 0/123, comma fast Ethernet 0/22. So let's see it, fast Ethernet 0/123 and fast Ethernet 0/22. Click enter, switch port, mode access, and switch port access VLAN 10. Exit, assign interface 4 to 6 and 23 to VLAN 20. Interface range fast Ethernet 0/4 to 6, comma fast Ethernet 23 to VLAN 20. Switch port, mode, access, switch port, access, VLAN 20. And similarly for fast internet 7 to 9 and 24, exit, interface, range, fast ethernet 0 slash 7 to 9, comma, fast ethernet 0 slash 24, switch port, mode, access, switch port, access, VLAN 30, exit, exit. Now let's check the VLANs. So VLAN brief is the command to check. And here we can see the VLAN 10 has this 4 ports assigned, VLAN 20 has this 4 ports assigned, and VLAN 30, fastener 7, 8, 9, and 24 has been assigned. Connect interface fast Ethernet 0 slash 1 to PCA and IP address. Okay, so let me just, so before that, let's assign the IP addresses to all the router interfaces. Fast Ethernet 0 slash 0. Let me get into interface fast Ethernet 0 slash 0 IP address 192.168.10.1 255.255.255.0. No shutdown. The interface state changed to up. Fast Ethernet 0 slash 1. Exit. Interface fast Ethernet 0 slash 1. IP address 192.168.20.1 255.255.255.0. No shutdown. Okay, fast Ethernet 1 slash 0. Exit. Interface fast Ethernet 1 slash 0. IP address 192.168.30.1 255.255.255.0. No shutdown. Now we have turned on all these three interfaces. What is the other task? Connect interface fastener 0 slash 1 of the switch. Okay, let's connect to 0 slash 1 to PCA. Let me connect 0 slash 2 also to PCD. What is the other task? Fast Ethernet 0 slash 4 to PCB. Fast Ethernet 0 slash 4 to PCB. Let me connect another one. Fast Ethernet 0 slash 5 to PCE. What is the other task? Fast Ethernet 0 slash 7 to PCC. Fast Ethernet 0 slash 7 to PCC. Fast Ethernet 0 slash 8 to PCF. Okay, so now we can see all the PCs are connected to different VLANs. Okay, now you can see we have connected all the interfaces and we have to assign the IP addresses. As here, let us assign according to the task 192.168.10.2. Okay, let me assign 192.168.10.2. And what is the default gateway? Default gateway is the router IP address 192.168.10.1. Okay, now PCB, what is the ask here? 20.2. Let's go ahead and assign 192.168.20.2. What is the default gateway? 20.1. For PC3 or PCC, IP address is 30.2. 192.168.30.2, 192.168.30.1. Okay, now the ask is to ping the PC A to PC B and PC C. Let's try to ping. Let's check the IP address, IP config. It's 10.2. Let's try to ping 20.2. Ping 192.168.20.2. Let's wait here. Let's wait and check if we are able to ping. Now let's try to ping again and see if we are able to ping. Ping 192.168.20.2. We're able to ping. Now let's try to ping 30.2. Let's wait for the ARP request to get completed. That's great. Now you can see all the VLANs are communicating to each other after we have added the router for communication. So the drawback here is we have to use three interfaces of the router to connect three VLANs. So if we have 10 VLANs, we have to use 10 interfaces on a router. If you are using 20 VLANs, so we have to use 20 interfaces on the router. So that is the reason this is a very poor scalability solution. So this is not used anymore in any industries or on any enterprise networks, but this is the legacy method that was used back in the 90s or early 2000s for communicating to different VLANs or communicating within different VLANs. So this comes to the end of our video. If you like this video, please like the video and hit the subscribe button so that, and if you have any queries, you can just ask me in the comment section and I will be happy to answer your queries. Thank you. Thank you for watching the video and see you in our next lab or next video. Thank you. You all have a good day.